In this video, we'll go over how to effectively remove mold from rubber-based items. Mold is very determined, meaning it will try to grow on anything if it can. Mold growth can occur on many different materials, but when it grows on rubber it can be troublesome and even hard to detect. Mold growth can easily form on rubber-based items like air conditioning seals, dishwashing machine gaskets, or seals inside your washing machine. You can remove molds growing on rubber-based items by following some easy steps. You'll need the following items: white distilled vinegar or other cleaning solution, detergent, a microfiber cloth, gloves and safety glasses, and a bucket or container to mix the detergent solution. First, put on your safety glasses and rubber gloves. Next, mix the detergent solution with a gallon of warm water in the bucket or other suitable container. If you're using vinegar, add a couple tablespoons to the solution. Dip the microfiber cloth into the solution and apply to the area. If you're able to remove the item, submerge it in the solution for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the item from the water solution and use a damp cloth to scrub the mold growth from the surface of the item. If the item has small hard-to-reach spaces, use a small thick bristle brush to scrub these areas. Finally, rinse the item in warm water or clean it with a damp microfiber cloth. Allow the area to dry. This process may need to be repeated after a couple months to prevent any mold growth. Thank you for watching and visit our channel for more mold removal tips.